Hello friends, it's activity time and we will have fun time doing our activity.
Yay!
Today, we are going to make a sunny sunflower collage using cutted paper or torn paper. But before anything else, I will tell you some fun facts or trivia about sunflower. Are you ready to hear that?
Yes, teacher.
I have 3 fun facts to share with you guys. First, did you know as the sunflower grows, they always follows the sun across the sky? Yes, it is. They are. However, as they mature, they stop following the sun. That's number 1. Number 2, did you also know that sunflower is not only for bouquet or for display? Actually, they are also source of healthy fiber and vitamin E.
That's
And
so cool.
last but not the least, did you know that last 2012, the sunflower have been reached to the space station by astronaut Don Petit. Yes, children, the sunflower reached the station already.
That's so cool, teacher.
That's true, Aaron. Here are the materials that we are going to need. Different colors, black as the seed, paper, it's a template paper, green for the leaves, and yellow for the petals. Do you want to try?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Here are the papers that you are going to use. Here are the glues that you are going to paste. Okay, children. First, we need to spread the glue on the leaf or wherever you want. You want to start with the petal of the flower or the seeds or the leaves or the stem or trunk. What do you call that? So,
Okay, teacher.
if you have any question, I can help you with. So, I'm going to paste the green paper first. This is what I choose. How about you, children? What did you choose?
I picked the flowers.
Oh, you picked the flower first?
Yeah,
Good job. Are you having hard time doing it?
kind of.
Do you need my help?
Yes.
How can I help you?
Can you give me some leaves or something?
Here, the color of the leaves?
Yes.
Oh, here? You can choose this one and stick on it. Oh, for the petal?
Yes.
Oh, good job. You really paste in the inner of the petal. Okay. Naki-hide mo itong ano ko, ha?
Naka-video na.
Okay. Oh. Okay, children, if you are done doing your collage, you can give it to me and I'm going to post it in our activity chart. What do you call that one?
Do you like my teacher.
Oh, wow! This is really awesome, Aaron. Thank you. Thank you, guys. See you next time.